The Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a proud lion who thought he ruled all creatures. Every day, he hunted and ate whichever animal he pleased. Terrified, the animals gathered and made a deal. They would send one animal each day to be his meal, so the others could live in peace. The lion agreed. One day, it was the turn of a small rabbit. Instead of hurrying, the rabbit arrived late. The lion roared, "Why are you late?" The rabbit calmly replied, "On my way." Another lion stopped me and claimed he's the true king of the jungle. Furious, the lion demanded to be taken to this imposter. The clever rabbit led him to a deep well and said, "He's inside." When the lion looked into the well, he saw his own reflection and roared. Thinking it was the rival lion roaring back, he jumped in to attack and drowned. The rabbit returned to the jungle, and the animals cheered. From that day, the jungle was safe again, all thanks to the small rabbit's cleverness. Moral: wisdom and courage can defeat even the strongest enemy.